Hey everyone, and welcome back to The Big Sweep, your go-to channel for all things cleaning and organization. I'm Kelly, and today we're going to present you with 4 genius tips for a fresh linen closet makeover. Before we get started, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Statistics show that over 80% of those watching are not subscribed to the channel. It only takes a second, and it's free. So go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment below letting us know your favorite tip from today's video. Feel free to tell us about any linen closet tips of your own. Now let's get to it. Let's face it, linen closets can become cluttered, chaotic, and frankly, not very pleasant. But fear not, because I'm here with some expert tips to transform your linen closet into a fresh, organized haven. So, whether you're dealing with overflowing shelves, mismatched towels, or that lingering, musty smell, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be itching to grab your favorite cleaning supplies and give your linen closet the makeover it deserves. Tip number 1, declutter and deep clean. First things first, we need to declutter. Take everything out of your linen closet. Yep, everything. Pile it all onto a flat surface, like your bed, a table, or the floor. Now sort through each item ruthlessly. Here's what you're looking for. Worn out linens. Are there any towels with rips, sheets that are pilled, or pillowcases that have seen better days? Thank these items for their service and toss them in the donation pile, if they're still usable, or the recycling bin, if they're not. Mismatched sets. Do you have a collection of lonely socks or towels that have lost their partners along the way? Donate them to a local animal shelter, where they might find a new life. Once you've gotten rid of unwanted items, it's time for a thorough deep clean. Starting at the top of the linen closet, wipe down the shelves and vacuum up any dust or loose debris. You can also mix a solution of warm water and white vinegar in a spray bottle to tackle any lingering mildew or musty smells. Pro tip: if your linen closet has lingering odors, try placing a bowl of baking soda inside for a few days to absorb them. Tip number 2, storage solutions. Now for the fun part, storage solutions. Here are some ideas to maximize your space and keep your linens organized. Shelving. Invest in additional shelving if needed. Adjustable shelves allow you to customize the space to fit your specific needs. Baskets and bins. Baskets and bins are lifesavers for storing towels, washcloths, and other loose items. Choose baskets made from breathable materials like wicker or seagrass to prevent moisture buildup. Drawer dividers. Drawer dividers are a game changer for keeping smaller items, like face cloths, organized. Dr. Organizers. Don't forget about the back of the door. Over-the-door organizers provide additional storage space for shoes, slippers, or cleaning supplies. When choosing storage solutions, consider using clear containers or labeling opaque ones. This will make it easier to find what you need without having to rummage through everything. Tip number 3, folding and stacking techniques. Here's the secret to keeping your linens looking neat and wrinkle-free. Proper folding techniques. Sheets. For fitted sheets, fold them in half lengthwise, then in half again. Then, fold them into thirds starting from the bottom hem. For flat sheets, fold them in half lengthwise, then in thirds starting from the top. Towels. There are many ways to fold towels, but a simple tri-fold method works well. Fold the towel in half lengthwise, then fold it in thirds again. Stack similar items together, like bath towels with bath towels and hand towels with hand towels. This will not only create a visually pleasing look, but also make it easier to grab what you need. Tip number 4, freshness hacks. Now that your linens are clean, organized, and neatly folded, let's talk about keeping them fresh. Here are some tips. Air it out. Leave the closet door open periodically to allow air circulation and prevent musty smells. Laundry routine. Wash your linens regularly according to the care instructions. Natural fragrances. Place sachets filled with dried lavender or cedarwood in your closet for a natural, fresh scent. You can also add a few drops of essential oil, like lavender or lemon, to a dryer sheet for a light, refreshing fragrance on your linens. With these expert tips, you can transform your linen closet into a fresh, organized, and inviting space. So don't forget to put these tips into action this weekend. Take a before and after picture and share it with us in the comments below. We'd love to see your linen closet makeovers. Pro tip: feeling overwhelmed by the clutter? Tackle your linen closet in sections. Maybe dedicate 30 minutes to decluttering one shelf at a time. Small steps lead to big accomplishments. While you're at it, let us know in the comments what your favorite storage solution is. Do you swear by baskets, drawer dividers, or something else entirely? We're always looking for new inspiration. Remember, a clean and organized linen closet doesn't just look good, it feels good too. Knowing you have fresh, neatly folded linens waiting for you can make even the most mundane tasks a little bit more enjoyable. For more cleaning hacks, home organization tips, and decluttering inspiration, be sure to subscribe to The Big Sweep. We upload new videos every week, so you'll never run out of ideas to keep your home sparkling clean and beautifully organized. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.